Hello and welcome to yet another session of writing skills. In this session, students will learn about comprehension. Okay. Now, students, comprehension aims at testing one's ability to read a passage. That means आपको पैसेज बहुत ही अच्छे से ध्यान से पढ़ने का होता है. Understand its contents and to draw inferences on the basis of what is read. बहुत अच्छे से समझने के बाद उसमें क्या दिया गया है, मैटर क्या है, वो समझना है. The ability to grasp the content of the passage within a short span of time is mainly tested. बहुत ही कम समय में आपकी एबिलिटी कितनी अच्छी है पैसेज रीड करने की. ओके पैसेज को कितना अच्छे से आप समझ सक रहे हो, रीड कर रहे हो. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कंटेंट सम क्वेश्चंस हैव टू बी आंसर्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द पैसेज विद इन अ लिमिटेड टाइम. In that limited time after reading passage you have to go through and answer the given questions. It is very important to have a good reading speed and the ability to understand the content well. Students, while reading a passage, certain points are to be kept in mind. Read the passage very carefully and try to understand the subject it deals with. Secondly, note the important details in your mind. Thirdly, read one question at a time and find the answer in paragraph. Okay. The answers that you are writing should be brief and preferably in your own words. Sometimes you may not understand few words in passage, but if you read it repeatedly, you will understand the meaning of its context. उसमें क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. After that, 2 golden rules are your answer should be brief and precise. समझ में आना चाहिए और short होना चाहिए. Your answers should be written in your own words as far as possible. Now students, I have given you assignment work in this video itself that you will have to complete in your notebook. Along with that, I have given you 2 examples of which PDF I am sending you. You complete those examples along with these 2 questions given in assignment in your video. Thank you.